All right, so today we're here with the current president of the National EMS Pilots Association, Brett Harlow. So Brett, you guys getting any traffic yet over here at the site?
Yeah, it's actually been relatively steady so far, especially early on in the early days here at HAI. So a lot of new pilots that are interested in coming over to the EMS side and not familiar with the organization. So it's been great to be able to explain that to them about what we can do to represent them going into the industry, whether it be with the government or with certain other companies that we have out there. So yeah, everybody likes to be the AOPA, the HAI. I mean, that's kind of what we want to represent for the EMS pilot itself.
Awesome. So if the folks out there don't know who the National EMS Pilots Association is and some of the things they do, what are some of the things that the National EMS Pilots Association is currently involved in? What are you spearheading this year as far as key initiatives?
Yeah. So we have a survey that's out right now. That's an IFR survey, and what we'd like to do is try to get a lot of the feedback from the actual end user itself, the pilot, what we can do to represent them back to the government. We'd like to be able, we want to be the spearhead, the tip of the spear, if you will, to help those pilots and represent them to the government, to other entities again, and just be a voice for somebody that may not feel like they can speak up have that action to be put out there. So we've got that survey that's out. We're doing that with CHAMPS, the CHAMPS 2.0 survey. That's on our website. That can be linked to, and we invite anybody and everybody to take that. It's a great survey that we can figure out for IFR tools. So, the IFR initiatives that a lot of the new companies want to go to. And then we've got the other initiatives are yeah, sorry. Yeah, the No Pressure Initiative. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Yeah, thanks. So the No Pressure Initiative, we want you to get back alive. Be able to talk it over. The en route decision points. When is that determination too late to where you have to make that to come back? Get back alive so we can talk about it. Let's talk it over and let's try to gather that data so we can move forward with it and live and learn. Right? And the old adage of live and learn. Let's do that. We need to do more of that within the EMS community.
All right. So in looking at what your members face today, what do you see as some of their biggest challenges as far as EMS pilots as a whole throughout not only the United States but also in other countries?
Yeah, so what Miles and I actually talked about this morning we have, it's a cyclical event. We go back through and we go through a big safety push. We have a couple accidents and then everybody's safety conscious for the next year or two. And then it comes back around and it's the same thing over and over. We keep flying aircrafts into the dirt. And you fly the aircraft into the dirt, and then everybody has to go back and they have to relearn it. But with the influx of new pilots that we have, the airline shortage, so pilots leaving, new pilots coming in, and they don't have that culture. They haven't been through that shift. We don't need to have that aircraft accident first in order to be able to learn. We just need to be able to learn on top of each other. So if we're able to go back and learn and keep from having CFIT accidents or any kind of the flight into weather accidents, that'd be a huge win for us.
Sounds good. So where would people go to find you on the web?
So our website is nemsa.org, and you can like us on our Facebook page, like us on Instagram, and then but everything is filtered there through our NEMSA website. We'll also find us on the CAIMS website as well, the AIMS website. Okay.
Well, thank you very much for your time. Greatly appreciate it. So this is Rex Alexander for the Vertical Flight Society on the floor, 2019 Helicopter Expo. Thank you.